been kind of a crazy day. The storm. It was raining and eclipse. Anyway, finally got some cows spotted. Beavers. Beaver dropped down this ridge. He's gonna sleep down. He's gotta go all the way down. He's gotta get underneath him and work at the bottom. And he's gonna try to come in on their right. And that small clearing behind that little cliff right there. And put him in and then I'll go anywhere. The beaver is getting closer. Beaver. All 8 of the cows that I can see are very relaxed. They're doing a great job. Keep it up. They're just chilling, chewing their cud, not a worry in the world. You're doing great. Go slow. Keep it up. The Mighty Beaver is within 100 yards of the bottom, which means he's probably within about 150 yards of these elk. It's about 7:30, and there's about 45 minutes left of light, give or take, because we have some cloud cover. That's probably going to speed that process up. I'll keep you updated. Look at that calf, must be a bull. He's just rubbing his head on the old tree. That's hilarious. Hopefully this happens soon. It's getting dark. Come on, Beaver. Lead cow is focused on something. Looks like your direction, I'm assuming. I have no idea. Come on, Beaver. Beaver, did you get a shot off? Come on, Beaver. Come on. Please. Look at this. I'm so blessed and fortunate to be able to hunt here. I love it. It is amazing. This is some amazing country. I'm still waiting on the beaver to tell me yes or no. He is really holding out on me. He sucks at this and letting me know. Beaver, we ran out of light last night. What happened in the end of your stalk? You were moments away from shooting an elk.
Well, I stalked in on her. They spotted me at about 80 yards. I put a tree between me and them. Got and just booked it as fast as I could right to the tree. Stepped around tree and had a duck under some deadfall. They actually didn't bust. I didn't have time to range them because I was in the open. Mom stepped out from the calf, and so I thought she was at 50 yards, and I shot. She wasn't. I shot just like I barely missed her. I just barely shot right over her shoulder. And the story, they took off.
Dang it. Sorry, man.
I had to hang my head low and hike up that monster hill.
The hike of despair.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, we're back here.
Redemption Day.
We're waiting this rainstorm out again. And hailed.
Healed?
See hailstones. So we're going to get ready to go back in a second.